Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Bacteria were regarded to be plants because option A, some of them are green, option B, they are present everywhere, option C, some of them cannot move और option D, they have a rigid cell wall. तो इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में हमें वो की फीचर को आइडेंटिफाई करना है जिसकी वजह से बैक्टीरिया वर रिगार्डेड टू बी प्लांट्स. हेंस हम जो कंसेप्ट यूज करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में that will be similarity between bacteria and plants, because due to which feature of bacteria it could establish a similarity with kingdom plantae. Moving further, जो बैक्टीरिया था it was the sole member of kingdom Monera, और जो बैक्टीरियाज थे they were referred as prokaryotic organisms because ये lack करते थे any kind of membrane bound organelles as well as इनमें एक well developed nucleus भी देखने को नहीं मिलता था. Continuing further, if we talk about their cell structure, their basic cell structure consisted of cytoplasm जो कि मेन अरेना होता है फॉर द कंडक्शन ऑफ सेल्यूलर एक्टिविटीज. सेकेंड, इनमें प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन प्रेजेंट होती है which is structurally and similar to a eukaryotic organism. Thirdly, they have ribosomes और इनमें जो ribosomes present होते हैं they are of 70S type and ribosomes are referred to be a protein factory for the organism. Fourth, they have a presence of cell wall. Cell wall act as the outer boundary of the bacteria और protect करती है bacteria को from the outbursting and also provide a rigid shape to bacteria. जो इनकी cell wall होती है that is chemically composed of peptidoglycan, जिसमें peptido stands for protein whereas glycan stands for carbohydrate. एंड जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट इनकी सेल वॉल में प्रेजेंट होता है दैट इज मॉडिफाइड ग्लूकोज पॉलीमर्स दैट आर नाग एंड नाम. नाग स्टैंड्स फॉर एन एसिटाइल ग्लूकोसामाइन whereas NAM stands for N-acetyl muramic acid. For the locomotion, bacterias may have flagella जो हेल्प करता है बैक्टीरिया को टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. बट ऐसे भी एग्जाम्पल्स देखी गई बैक्टीरिया के which lack flagellas. If I quote some of the bacteria which lack flagella are first cyanobacteria जो photosynthetically autotroph organism थे. Second, mycoplasma which are the smallest known cells which measure only 0.3 micrometer in size. Thirdly, coccus which are spherical shaped bacteria. इन तीनों ग्रुप्स ऑफ बैक्टीरियाज में जो flagella था that was absent. Now if we look at the options, some of them are green. Yes, bacteria can be green if they have presence of chlorophyll A and जो bacteria photosynthetically autotroph होते हैं. But ये कोई फीचर नहीं था जिसकी वजह से bacteria were regarded as plants. Hence this is incorrect. They are present everywhere. Yes, bacteria may be present everywhere, but this was also not the feature which stated them to be as plants. Some of them cannot move. Yes, जिन bacteria के पास flagella नहीं होता है, they cannot move. Option D, they have a rigid cell wall. Yes, जो plants होते हैं, they also possess a rigid cell wall made up of cellulose. जो बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं उनकी सेल वॉल बनी होती है पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन की. बट दैट डज नॉट मैटर. द फैक्ट विच मैटर्स इज दोनों ही बैक्टीरियाज एज वेल एज प्लांट्स पोजेस अ रिजिड सेल वॉल एंड दिस वाज द फीचर जिसकी वजह से बैक्टीरिया मिमिक प्लांट्स. हेंस जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन डी, दे हैव अ रिजिड सेल वॉल. due to which bacteria were regarded to be plants. I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.